What's up guys, it's your girl Ash and I'm back with another freaking video. So today we're going to be reviewing and possibly doing a little tutorial on this beautiful Bretman Rock X Wet n Wild palette. Oh my gosh. So this actually retails for $14.99. You can buy it online, you can buy it at the actual store, and this palette is so beautiful. I think that they did a great job. Super excited because this is like a super good price point. It's a good palette that's affordable. You know, a lot of the good palettes out there are pretty expensive, so I'm excited for something that's not so expensive because not everybody got money like that to be buying expensive palettes. So this palette is called Jungle Rock and it has 15 beautiful shades right there. So the top section from left to right, we have King of the Jungle, Don't Be Lion, Liar and Cheetah, Prowl, Coconut Connoisseur, I hope I'm saying that right, I'm sorry if I'm not, Ape Shit, Pounce on Them, Flaming Hoe, Venomous, Anaconda, Alpha, Two Can Play That Game, that was cute. Feeling Myself, Big Peacock Energy, and Deeper. So I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows off cameras and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. We're gonna start by priming our eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I already need to buy a new one. This was like a sample that I got, and ever since I've been using this, I just can't stop. I'm just gonna be taking a regular fluffy brush like this one, and I'm gonna be using that Coconut Connoisseur color. It's that light shade to just be like this, just to set like the primer, to have a base of what I'm gonna be doing. All right, so we're going to start by packing that shade Pounce on Them. It's gonna be shade right here. We're gonna pack that shade with a flat brush. I'm gonna be using the JS11 from Morphe and Jeffree Star, just to pack that color all over my eyelid. Let's see. Okay, pretty pigmented. And then I'm going to just take any fluffy brush. I'm going to be using this one. This is like a pointed fluffy brush. This is a JS5. My bad, JS5. Jeffree Star. I'm going to take another fluffy brush. And I'm going to be adding the Flaming Hoe shade, which is the flamingo one. I'm going to be using a Morphe M441. It's also just a fluffy brush. Brush, brush, brush. It's okay. And to intensify again, we're going to go with that Two Can Play That Game, which is that red shade. I'm going to go back with this brush. This is again the JS5, and I'm going to use it like in the middle. I like it. I'm going to be taking another fluffy brush. So I'm going to be using this JS5. This is from the first brush collection that Jeffree Star did. And I'm going to be trying to do, let's see how this looks up here. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup. I'm gonna be damping my beauty blender with this facial spray. I don't know how to say it in English. I just say it how it sounds. Mario Badescu. I sound stupid as fuck. I don't feel like getting up, so this is what I do when I'm lazy. Wait. First of all, priming my face with my hangover primer. Can't forget that part. Gotta keep your face moisturized, especially in the winter, especially in a day like today where it's frickin' 20-something degrees outside. Fucking ridiculous. Let me see. Oh my god. Alright, word. So I'm gonna be using my BB Fresh BB cream by Maybelline. I'm running out, like there's nothing. That's a tiny bit in there. I need to get some more. I have like a whole bunch of like my summer shade, but it's not summer, so. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Infallible. Really? We're gonna be using the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I don't really like using concealer because as I told you guys before, my under eyes are freaking dry as hell. And my fine lines are always showing, but whatever. And then I'm gonna use the same concealer brush that I use on my eyebrows. This is a Morphe M432. And I'm just gonna go like this. To set my face, I'm going to be using my Coty Airspun. Wow, that looks disgusting. That's just one of the shades. It's dirty as hell. Ooh. It's literally all over the place. I'm going to be using a JS2 to set my entire face with this powder. There you can see the excess. You see? That's why you got to tap off the excess. You don't want all of that powder in your face. That's too much. I like this brush because you can get under your eyes with the powder and it's so soft. Jeffree Star should sponsor me because all I do is use his products. Just saying. If you're watching this, Jeffree, sponsor your girl. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to be using my butter bronzer with yet another Jeffree Star brush. Of course, this one is the JS3. And I'm going to be bronzing my face. You see how like when you start adding bronzer and different elements, your face starts to come to life slowly? And then I'm going to be highlighting my face with the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise. This is a Morphe palette with Bretman Rock. I'm going to be using my favorite shade, Mahu. Now for the lips, I'm going to be using this little Jeffree Star lip gloss in the shade Berry Blast. I feel like with looks like this, it's best to keep the lips simple since your eyes are so bold. So yeah guys, if you're watching this part of the video, that means that you've reached it and you made it to the end. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment, share with your friends, subscribe. I will be reviewing the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette once it comes in the mail. I literally just ordered it 2 days. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for all the people who share, all the people who give me feedback. Like, it's just so exciting to be on this amazing YouTube journey with you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.